Morning, students. Today we're going to learn what's so cool about manufacturing with our featured company, Ampel Incorporated.
Field trip!
Ampel Incorporated produces aluminum powders to more than 180 countries.
Aluminum powder creates strong but lightweight parts for automotive and aerospace industries.
In the future, they are looking at selling to the 3D printing market.
The current president, Louise Ramsey Thomas, with help from her two brothers, took over for her father in 2016.
Since then, they moved to the office and manufacturing location of Little Gap Road, Palmerton, PA.
Barry Weibel, and I'm the production superintendent at Ampell Incorporated. And I oversee the operations of making the aluminum powder. I started being an atomizer about 40 years ago and have been with this company since it's been founded in 1983 here at Palmerton. So we built the company and we developed it from the ground up, and we came a long way in producing aluminum powder.
Hi, my name is Tom Hyland. I'm the senior metallurgist and chemist for Ampell. Because if they make something that isn't in spec, then I have to tell them about it. We can't sell it to a customer if it's not up to par. An integral part, because I get a sample and I have to analyze it for the quality, and that is basically it. And then we also do R&D, research and development of new products.
So students, after our field trip to Ampel Incorporated, what kind of cool things did you learn about manufacturing?
I learned how metal powders are made.
I learned it takes a lot of hard work to manufacture products.
Manufacturing requires a lot of collaboration and teamwork.
Manufacturing is a long, detailed process.
So what is so cool about manufacturing?
Everything!